plumbers, as you know, and if you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons the plumbing trade. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. And for today's plumbing adventure, we have a diverter change coming up. But first things first, we have no pressure on the hot side on an old iron pipe diverter. So what we're going to do first is cut it out and make sure we got pressure on the hot line. And we're going to convert it from iron pipe to Mega Press. Stay tuned and we'll see you at the job. Alright Chucky, so we're off, right?
Yeah.
For sure the water's off. Awesome. So what I'll do is I'll try and keep this riser.
Right.
Oh.
That's, you know what? That's coming from upstairs, right?
Probably from the shower. Oh. Probably from the shower. I just opened the shower riser. I'm going to cut it here. And we're going to press it to, where's my adapters at? I'm going to put a hose on it right here. And we're going to check the pressure.
Alright.
And then we'll change the copper and put a diverter in.
Alright. It's off. I mean, I haven't turned it back on.
Okay.
I'm just wondering, what's that? That's got to be coming from the top floor, right?
Oh, the whole... I'll tell you what, why don't you go open up the faucet?
Upstairs?
Open up this whole side of the house. Is there a tub above here?
There's a shower and there's a sink and a toilet.
And that's all off upstairs?
Yeah. No, I turned it off in the basement.
Okay.
The supply line.
Okay. Open that up just in case you don't get no water here. We'll drain it down now. Hot line's totally clogged. We're going to take out this diverter and we're making a mess right here. Look at this. We're going to convert the copper, but first thing we're going to do, oh there we go. We're going to test the hot side. Look at that rust. And to get new lines up here is a real wrestling match. This is on the 3rd floor from the basement, so it's a big job. So we're just trying to get this changed out. Hey Chuck.
Yo.
I'm gonna ask you for a cup of coffee if you don't mind. You got coffee on?
Is it all right?
That's fine. Here,
Oh.
just cream. That'd be awesome.
Just cream?
Just cream.
All right.
I want that.
What I did, I left the sink hot and cold open.
Okay.
All right.
You got it.
Just cream, no.
Yeah, just cream, please. Where's my? I had a nice new. We're going Diablo. As I'll cut it here, and then we'll reuse this riser because you see what he did. He didn't change the riser, so we'll adapt to this. We'll make it happen. We'll make it happen, Captain, because that's what we do. And of course, we're going with the Pro Press. Mega G converting iron pipe to thread. Let's catch this one before it makes a mess. Alright, here we go. Watch out for the shower head.
All right, be a minute or two till it's done.
No worries. No worries, Shaggy. That's got hit in the head by
Grab that towel? Yeah, you got it.
that's got hit in the head by the
The thing.
shower riser. You booby trapped me. You booby trapped
Do I
me.
take it off? It's just screwed on.
Yeah, might as well. It already hit me once.
What's that?
Huh?
Galvanized pipe?
Yeah. I'll take this out right here and I'll clean it up and we'll test it. I'll be done.
Toss it. Put it in your...
Yeah, I'll throw it right in the truck. You can put it right on the front porch. We'll keep it for the Christmas party.
Alright, let me go get the hole ready.
Alright, cool. Alright, now. Alright, we got a little bit of play here. Not much. Alright. It's gonna be tight, folks. It's alright, cool. Oh, baby. That ain't no good. Mm-hmm. Clean it up a little bit. Now this one has a lot of play and this one doesn't. That ain't no damn good. There is a copper line down there, and as you see, this is the outside wall, so it's a little tight, but if we get stuck we can do that. Okay, let's do this one first.
Can we hold that wrench down? Or?
Nah, this ain't going nowhere. Alright. We're going to test the hot. The problem child. Real slow, baby. I'm ready, Chuck.
All right, I'll just turn it on a little bit at a time here.
Yeah,
Right?
real slow.
All right, hold on. Let me get a flashlight up in here.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
All right.
There's a little bit. I just cracked it.
Oh, the other faucet's open upstairs?
Huh?
Oh, the
Oh yeah, the faucet's open in the top.
All right, shut it off.
I got it. We're back on. Hold on.
Real slow.
All right. Here's a little bit.
We got water. Go ahead, give me some more.
Let me open up all the way.
Yeah, tell us what kind of pressure we get. That's it?
That's it.
It's the same amount. I'll let you come out. You can leave it on. We're good.
All right.
No leaks.
All right, I'll be right up.
All right. All right. As you see. We'll see if it was better. We'll find out in a minute. He's opted not to change. No water lines. Hold on. We might have some. Oh, I thought I had a screen on this. He's opted not to change the water lines. So, that's that. This is for the grandkids. So grandkids, you're going to get a cold shower. 110 years old?
Yeah.
I think my shop is friggin' 100 years old. You know? It used to be a horse barn.
Yeah.
I guess everything had a horse barn in it, you know? Oh, Chucky. Can pro press a 100-year-old galvanized pipe. Alright. Alright, Chuck. Let's turn the water on one more time. I want to make sure I didn't do anything crazy. The cold water.
Cold water?
Yeah. I'll run that. Take your time.
Close everything up top?
Everything's closed up there, yeah. Alright, we just got lucky as hell. We just got super lucky. Hopefully this was stuck on the bottom of the tub and we got some play. Like I said, the hot's gonna remain. You don't want to do the whole demo thing, which, hey, you might need to do it someday. We'll flush it out again. I thought I cut the pipe too short. I'll sweat. Oh, there it is. Alright, Chucky.
Alright, hold on.
Real slow.
Here you go.
Okay.
A little more? Or?
Hold on.
Right.
Yeah, we're good.
Alright, turn it on.
I want to flush out. Let it run. Let it run for a sec, Chuck. Okay. That's good. Again, we just got lucky as hell here. Chuck, think about it. folks, until we do the diverter. You know, we had no threaded areas that we could take the 90 out and start with copper or PEX. So cutting the iron pipe was key, and adapting to Mega G with Mega Press is a game changer. Alright, I just got extremely lucky. I thought I lost the iron pipe. I thought I cut it too short, but here it dropped and went down the side of the tub, and I'm getting ready to pipe wrench it out, and all of a sudden the thing pops up 6 inches. Disaster avoided. And he was going to let the hotline go, but now he's considering to open up a couple walls because we traced it out, and it's the move to do it right, you know. Cold pressure's decent. It's a 1/2 inch line for like a 60-foot run, so it's not that great anyway. But in the end, I think we're going to do it correctly and put a new diverter in. Until then, we'll see you at the next one, everybody. Have a great day.